Hey sweet friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a huge haul with you all. Stuff that I've been finding out at the Dollar Tree that I am in love with. Could not wait to share this with you all. Some of these items are items that I've been looking for over a month and finally found them, and some of them are brand new out of the store that I couldn't wait to share. Just a heads up, I have a huge secret that I've been keeping. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. But later this week, specifically on Thursday, I'm going to be launching a huge announcement or sharing a huge announcement, launching something very fun. If you have any guesses on what it is, please leave it down in the comments. I would love to know, or what you're expecting. But I have a really fun project I've been working super hard on all year. I cannot wait to get it out to you guys. I know you're going to love it and hope you enjoy it just as much as I am. Something that we can kind of enjoy and have fun with together. I'll be launching it right here on YouTube Thursday morning, and you don't want to miss out. So I'll have all the details, everything you need to know, how to, I can't say, but I cannot wait for this, and I hope you guys get just as excited as me, because this is something like I've been pouring everything into, because I am just so excited about it. So cannot wait to share that. But let's go ahead and get on into this haul, share with you all of my fun new finds. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and let's get on into it. Okay, so first thing, I found some really cool photo frames. These are new to me. They are so pretty. They had 3 different styles. One says, "All you need is love," "There's no place like home," and "Family is forever." I love that black and gray one. It has like a little frame that's screwed on there, but you can slide the photo in and out. Really gorgeous and fun. These are perfect for decor as is, but these will be so fun to make over for DIY projects and just try to figure out something else to do with them. Okay, so something else that I found, kind of small but really cute, is a laundry room sign. This is a gorgeous like blue wood color. It says "Wash Dried Fold." It has little clothespins, maybe if you wanted to pin up some cute little socks just for looks or something. But I think this is really cute. This was the only style that I found it in, but really cute, has a lot of potential, and something that I went ahead and grabbed a couple of in case I wanted to change it up. How cute are these little cactus plaques? So these are adorable. I'm not sure like what they go with. These were kind of just sitting by the Mother's Day gifts, so it's kind of funny, but these are like really nice and really cute. So these would be cute as little decor pieces. One says "welcome," or they both say "welcome." One has like metal on it, and one has in a little pot, but these are absolutely adorable and actually like really nice quality, and just a fun little trinket that you could gift or kind of set on a tiered tray or something small, but these are really cute. These little arch pieces are really cute. They're plastic. One says "Home Sweet Home." One says "Our Family Gathers Here." Actually, 2 of them say that, but they have this in black, gray, and white. These are really fun to craft with, but once again, really cute as is, just sitting on a shelf, but these are really nice quality. I found some more wall shelves. I made an entire video about some different wall shelves that was really cute. You can check that out. I'll link it down below. But these are like 15 inches by 3.5 inches, so I hadn't found this size before. These are really neat. So many things you can do with it. Use it as is. It has a really pretty color finish, but I went ahead and grabbed them as I saw them. These were really cool. They had a few different shapes. There's a circle that says "Family," a little hexagon that says "Welcome," and the Dreaming Mountains. These are really fun shapes. I love grabbing these and keeping them on hand, because when you can find a $1 wooden circle at Dollar Tree, you definitely keep that on hand when you're a crafter or DIYer. So many things you can do with this, but these are really sturdy. They're more of like an MDF material, but so many things that you can do with these. Speaking of MDF material, I found some new little signs. They say decor, but they were in Crafter Square. They're like these chunky words that are perfect for crafting and DIYing. They are like the laser cut words. I found "family," "home," and "welcome." It's funny because this home is like a miniature version of the large wood one that they put out, but these are perfect for our signs. I'm so excited. So many times I make wall decor pieces or wall hangings that need a word on there, and I have to go to like Hobby Lobby or Walmart, so I'm so excited that Dollar Tree put out these. They are super nice, and like the metal ones are super hard to kind of glue on projects, and they bend, so these will be a fun upgrade. If you follow along on my Dollar Tree road trip, I was looking for these ladders. I finally found them, so I grabbed a couple of them. I love the colors. I love them as is. I have some shelves with like some hooks, so I'm just going to go ahead and hang a couple of these just as they are, but I think these are really cool. And if you have DIY'd with these or have any fun ideas, leave those down below, because even though they are as cute as they are, it would be fun to try to do something different. I feel like these are kind of in the same collection as the ladders, or they go along with them, but I found the love and the home with the wreath. It's so funny, all Dollar Trees are all different. Sometimes people get stuff early, sometimes they don't. Sometimes I'm really late to the game. I feel like these have been out a while. I've been seeing them on other people's channels, but just now getting them, but maybe that means you have them, so when I craft with them, you'll know what to do with those that you already have. They had out a lot of really cool summer signs. I found this big Hello Summer with the watermelon, orange, kiwi, pineapple. This is so adorable. I went ahead and grabbed 3 of them. I love having extra large signs like this because I can craft with them. You can piece these together and create some huge signs, whether that's for like a patio area or indoors. But I grabbed these, and even if I don't craft with them yet, I can hang these around. These are adorable and just kind of enjoy them as is. Speaking of summer signs, I found a large circular sign in a few different styles. So this one says squeeze a day. It's a lemon. It does have a ton of sparkles on it, which I'm not crazy about, but I still thought it was really, really cute. And then the sweet summertime, this is fun, as well as time to relax. Whenever my girls are like getting out of school for summer break, I know like I don't love leaving these out all the time, but I love getting a few pieces like this to kind of help, like, I don't know, break in summer, help celebrate the start of summer, and then like we put them away later. I craft them or DIY with them with something else, but it is fun to have bright pieces like this. It just gets everyone excited for summer break. In the summer section, they had these adorable napkins. I found the ice cream ones as well as these little popsicle sticks. You could easily Mod Podge this image on something else, but really, really cute. I love how it says sweet summer, but even more the like texture colors of those popsicles. And then I found some 4th of July decor. I picked up this truck with the little gnomes in the back. I thought that was really cute. I went ahead and grabbed a couple of them. And then what I'm so excited to share with you all, if you have been living under a rock, then you might not know, but this is all over Instagram, all over YouTube. Everyone is sharing all of the awesome nautical beach decor that Dollar Tree is carrying. They had the most gorgeous items for just $1.25. I could not believe it. Things that you would find at like a higher end store, but really gorgeous and very inexpensive. So warning, I did get several things. I found these houses. They had 3 different styles. A mermaid lives here on beach time, and it's a beach thing. I love that little sand dollar with the wooden like roof. These are adorable, so cute. I could leave them as is. I even thought, like I mentioned before with the summer decor, setting it out, it would be fun to set out this little nautical stuff. We always take a beach trip and I don't know, enjoy swimming in the summertime, so this would be fun to decorate with as well. Some of my favorite pieces from this collection are the bottles. These are adorable. So many things you can do with this. I know like Bargain Bethany was sharing some really cool ideas like for a message in a bottle and stuff, but these are really, really cool. And I thought, once again, if I didn't use them, these two are like really fun to paint and make them your own style, but these little charms are absolutely gorgeous. That starfish is so, so cute and detailed. I think they did an awesome job on these. Okay, speaking of little bottles, I found these with a cork in them. One says wish upon a starfish, one says sand of my favorite beach. We have tons of sand in little tiny jars from different places, so this will be an adorable way to get to display that and actually put it on a shelf. But this is such a fun idea, and I am pretty sure that you could easily remove all of that if you'd like to make it more custom. I know everyone was talking about these little anchors. These are so cute. You could glue these to signs, put them on door hangers, but you could even I just had a really cool thought. You could make like a wooden bead garland and put this at the end. I know it's kind of big, but like on a little tray, this could kind of lay with the wood beads. That would be adorable. So many things you could do with these, and these are like actually really nice quality. They're not just going to easily break for $1.25. Another fun find were these little nautical jute balls. So these are really, really cool. They look like they're actually tied little balls. I saw someone using these as like curtain tie backs, which is crazy how many things you could do with this, but people were DIYing these at home, so it's fun that you can just pick these up without having to even mess with any hot glue and already have them on hand. These would be really cute to set in a tiered tray or just like a little bowl, but these are really fun too. These are one of my favorite pieces from this collection, these little wood block stacks. This one says, "Sun, take me to the ocean." This one says, "The sand in me," with a little wooden well at the top. I feel like these could have used a little bit of color, so you might could paint in the letters or just like fill them in with a Sharpie to make them stand out more bold, or love these as is, but these are also really cool. My little girl has a mermaid room, so it is fun picking up some of this nautical decor to actually DIY stuff for her walls. I thought these mermaids were really cool. They had a couple of different designs. I love this one the best, so I grabbed a couple in it, but I thought she could even play around with these and dress them up. She could tack them to like her bulletin boards and stuff if I didn't really want to hang them on the wall, but these are really cute, and she's holding a little starfish too. They had these fun corkboard tags. Corkboard tags. I didn't love the big octopus one, so I just grabbed this one. It looks like it has coral on it, but this would also be a really cute way to display some cute little photos in her room. They had tons of wall signs. I couldn't even get them all. I would have spent way too much money, but this was one of my favorite. I love the teal color. It has a big sticker on the front, but I love the teal color. It has this sand dollar on there. That's one of my favorite things. With a little bead hanger. They had this one that says, "Meet me at the seaside." So cute with the navy and the white popping off of there. I ended up getting a couple of more of those just because I thought they would be fun to DIY with, and you could easily pop off the little metal word. They had some metal yard stakes. These were really cool. These will be fun to DIY with. You could easily pop these off of the stake. They say garden stakes, but the little boat would be adorable for a craft, as well as the little fish. I loved these signs. These are adorable. They would be so cute sitting on a shelf stacked up with some of those decor pieces sitting around it. There was wish upon a starfish, beach vibes only, and seize the day. These are gorgeous. I don't even decorate nautical decor, and I loved it and grabbed me some. So let me know what are some of your favorite pieces in this collection. Like I mentioned about my daughter's room, I grabbed 3 of these metal shells. I thought these would be so cute painted in fun, like bright colors, maybe stacked up on like a palette sign or something, but too cute and cheap not to pass up. I found these glass little starfish. These are adorable and so detailed. These would be so cute setting in a little bowl of soap or, I don't know, something for a bathroom, but these are one of my favorites. This was kind of with the Mother's Day decor. It says, "All you need is love," and has that wood heart as well as a little white one. It's so cute. I think this would be really fun in a bedroom, maybe with some like picture frames or something. It kind of reminds me of like wedding. If you were having a wedding, these would be really cute for like table decor, but I thought this was a fun find. And then so many little crafting pieces, too many to show you everything, but I'll just kind of pan over everything. But so many tiny little wood pieces. I love the turtles and the boats as well as the dolphins. These were really fun. I found some really fun fabric in the nautical print. So they have starfishes and anchors and a compass. I thought that was really fun. And then they had more metal decor. I found a lighthouse. How cool is that? I'll definitely have to craft with that. I just hit myself in the face with that. But and then I found this little scroll. It's really cute. It has a little seahorse, but I thought I could remove that. And then I found these really fun like chalkboard signs. So one was a circle and one was a square, but these would be cute for everyday decor for summer. It does have the little shell print on the back, but you could just make this for summer and not specifically just for the beach. So like I mentioned, I got a ton of stuff. Just wanted to share a really quick haul. Let me know what you're finding at Dollar Tree. Don't forget about Thursday. I cannot wait. I'm counting down the time already. But huge announcement coming on Thursday. Let me know your guesses down in the comments down below. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you are subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting. Bye.